it's Eugenia. Today I'm gonna be doing a video that's like a Hello Kitty collection. I've loved Hello Kitty for like so many years now. So I've just kind of been today, guys, getting at like all my Hello Kitties. I've gotten like some new ones recently too. Alright, you guys, and I guess that I will start here. The other day, I found like the cutest Hello Kitty in Costco. Costco sells like all of these really cute like squishmallows, and they sell like these giant ones. So you guys can see here my giant Hello Kitty squishmallow. She's like a unicorn. I just love her. Since I got her, I've literally been sleeping with her like every night. She is just so soft. Like, I've been sleeping so good with her. I love her. I think she's literally like one of the cutest squishmallows ever. I have another giant squishmallow here. This one is my Melody. I also just love my Melody. I think she's so adorable. And this one I actually just bought today a little bit earlier. Costco also. She's like a giant like ice cream, my Melody. Literally felt like in the car I could have like fallen asleep with her. Like, she's just so soft, so adorable. I love the pink with her. I had to go back there to like get a router because you watch me on Twitch, I've been having a lot of internet problems and I'm trying to figure out, but the good thing was that I could get her today as well as getting the router right here. Oh my gosh, I don't want to like mess with my kitties. But we also have this one. This is like the first giant Hello Kitty squishmallow I got. She is like a Hello Kitty mermaid. I love her so much. You guys can probably tell I decorated my couch like crazy Hello Kitty today. This right here, she is one of my favorite Hello Kitties ever. I actually got her like years ago at the Mac store. Are Mac stores even a thing now? I think they are, but yeah, she was like a special edition. I think she's so cute. She's a black Hello Kitty, obviously. I just love her. She's definitely one of my favorites ever. Had her for like years. I love her so much. Then I just kind of have a bunch that I think are really cute. I have this little Hello Kitty. I feel like she kind of has like a cute kind of like Valentine's Day vibe. She's got like the cute little hearts in her. I have this other Hello Kitty that I think is so adorable. A lot of them still have price tags on, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know why. I like never take price tags off. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just think she's super cute with like her cute little pink dress on here. Little like pink bow. I just love her. Got another cute plush of Hello Kitty, guys, in like her plaid pink. I think she's super adorable. Then I have this Hello Kitty here. And this one I think was from Build-A-Bear, if I'm remembering right. For some reason, I guess like I never dressed her. So she's really cute. She's a cat, so like it's okay. And this one I think is so cute. You can see she's kind of like a 4th of July Hello Kitty. I guess also New York Hello Kitty because she says, I love New York. I love her. This one I actually like am matching. I love her so much. I love plaid. I always think it's just a really cool look. This one is like Hello Kitty dressed in her plaid dress with her little plaid bow. I think it's such a cute one. And here we go, guys, all the way from the other side of the couch. I have this Hello Kitty. This Hello Kitty is another Hello Kitty that's like a pretty big one. She says Happy Valentine's Day. She's basically like just a really cute like Valentine's themed Hello Kitty. And she's got like her red dress with the little hearts. This one is so cute. It's like Hello Kitty dressed up as a cow. Super adorable with her just like as a cow here. And then here, this one I think is such a cute one, you guys. It is like Hello Kitty dressed as a cactus. Like, look at her with her little like pointy cactuses. I love this one so much. Kuromi. I also really love Kuromi. Kuromi is one of my favorite Sanrio characters. I think she's so cool. And I kind of like her more kind of like punk, like emo style. I've always loved Kuromi. It's also like the perfect time, guys, to like also have my Melody and Kuromi, since they're both like bunnies and all, and it's like Easter. I thought I left her back in California, so I am so happy that she's here. These are like all my best friends, so when I don't have them, it's like, what am I gonna do? And then with Easter, guys, we also have this little Hello Kitty, the little bunny Hello Kitty with her little green bunny ears. Oh wow, guys, and look, I think I also have another one of these little like heart Hello Kitties. I guess I have two, but these are just like so cute that it's like, oh, why not have more than one? So going back to it being Easter, you guys, we have this like really big Easter Hello Kitty. And this Easter Hello Kitty, you guys, I think she's so cute with like her purple bow. And then you can see she's got like her pink bunny ears. I love Hello Kitty. I love bunnies. We have another one that's just kind of like yellow and pink. I love the yellow and pink combination here. I think it looks so cute with Hello Kitty. And then these, you guys, are some of my favorites ever. I was so so excited when I saw that there was like a Hello Kitty and Pusheen collection, because I also love Pusheen and it's so cute. Like Hello Kitty and Pusheen are like best friends now. It's Hello Kitty dressed up as Pusheen. Even the price tag is so cute. I'm kind of like, should I ever take it off? And then here we have Pusheen dressed up as Hello Kitty. Another really cute price tag. I just think that this was like one of the most adorable collections. I can't wait for the Sailor Moon collection. I also ordered, you guys, maybe I'll put like a picture up, the cutest My Melody. I think that this was from a 2017 Sailor Moon and Hello Kitty collection. Can't wait to see like what the new ones are gonna be this summer. My Melody I think is like one of the cutest I've ever seen, so I can't wait. I just kind of hung these up on my tree right now. I have a couple of Hello Kitty outfits that I think are super cute on my tree here, guys. I just kind of thought it would be a good place to hang them while I show you guys or whatever. I actually have two outfits here. Both of these are from Dolls Kill. When I saw there was like a Hello Kitty line, I had to get it. And if you guys haven't noticed yet, even today I'm actually dressed in like a Hello Kitty outfit. So I have like this cute Hello Kitty shirt on, which is like this plaid Hello Kitty skirt. I love plaid and I just love all of the cute Hello Kitties on here. Also, I have on my Hello Kitty boots. I think these are super cool. And also on here, guys, I also have on this really cute Hello Kitty Swarovski necklace. I love this necklace so much. It's like one of my favorite necklaces ever. And she's got all her little like Swarovski crystals. I have this dress, guys. This one's really cool. Might be a little bit hard actually to take it off the tree now. But okay, there we go. It's a really cute Hello Kitty dress. It's kind of like a jumper style. It's a really cute color of pink, of course. It's kind of got like a halter type back with like Hello Kitty's bow. I think it's really cute. My skirt too, guys. I'm like, oh wow, sorry. I think I'm like kind of wearing it the wrong way. It's also kind of got like the cute Hello Kitty bows on it, which I thought was such a cute feature in this. And then you guys, I also have this one here, and this one is like this super cute black Hello Kitty dress. This one's so adorable. It has Hello Kitty just kind of like in a carousel. I love all the bright pink colors, all the really bright like nice colors in this, like with the black. The little like bow here for the tie. Maybe I'll like wear these in another video for you guys. I kind of thought today I just showed them to you guys where it's kind of like collection video and all, but did want to show you guys these because I really love them. This was another item that like I wasn't sure if it was in California or where it was. And then today I found it and was just so excited. Obviously, like I love Hello Kitty and I also just like love Kuromi. It's a really cute, just like Hello Kitty and Kuromi kind of like little plush set. This is actually for the 40th anniversary of Hello Kitty. But even like the box for it, it's like, look at it. It's so cute. I have like a little Hello Kitty Swarovski crystal. I want to be careful with it because it's glass. And the last thing I'd ever want to do is drop this. I think she is so beautiful. And another item here, guys, that I definitely want to be careful with. Like these are kind of breakable. So here I have this beautiful Hello Kitty ornament. She's super cute. She has a little crown on and she's kind of just dressed up like pink, like all pink Christmas time. And it's a handcrafted glass ornament. Like I said, definitely want to be careful with her. I was kind of thinking, guys, like if I did like a cute like Hello Kitty tree, kind of like my Jack tree, but like let's say like maybe one year or at some time in the year I did like Hello Kitty, I think she would be such a pretty ornament. She could just be like pink maybe. It's just kind of an idea, but yeah. Oh my gosh, wait till you guys see these. These are so beautiful. I just ordered these and I am already like obsessed with them. So I found these from Lord & Taylor's, you guys. Kind of ordered them online. It used to be a Lord & Taylor store by me, but like they closed down during COVID, which is kind of sad. I don't know if they're just like online business now or what. I have here just like this super cute Hello Kitty clutch kind of bag. It's double-sided. It's literally one of the cutest and prettiest bags that I think I've like ever seen. So let's open it. So when you open it up, you guys, you can see that it also comes with like this nice handle here so you can wear it easier. Just kind of wear the bag like that, and I think that is so cute on. I'm probably gonna wear this like all the time, you guys. I love this so much. That bag I liked so much that I also had to get it in like pink. It comes in silver and pink, and I love the silver, but I also just like love pink, and I thought the pink was also so pretty and so cute. So here I just kind of have the same one, only obviously this one is in pink. Going back to the Hello Kitty 40th anniversary when that happened, I also got this Hello Kitty and Kuromi magnet. This I think is super cute, or like I love them both so much. Packaging is also really cute with like the little heart skulls and all that. I don't really know like where I have in my room or house or wherever where I could put a magnet, but I gotta find some somewhere cool because I just feel like this is too cute to not be using. I have here this really cute Hello Kitty pop figure. She's so cool, guys. It says Hello Kitty Sky, and she's kind of like dressed as like a dinosaur, I think. Still gonna open her, but I love her. I have this, you guys, which wait till you guys see what this does. So this is actually an alarm clock. My sleep schedule is basically non-existent at this point. Still, if I ever need a clock, I have her. And plus she makes like the cutest noise. Wait till you guys hear this. Oh my gosh, look. It's so cute. Cutest alarm clock ever here.
Good morning.
So yeah, she'll wake you up, she'll say good morning to you. She'll play you like a bunch of really cute songs. So this one is from literally like years ago. At this point, I won't lie, I like never really use like a real phone. And I kind of am just always using my iPhone. But I still love this. This is like in my like bedroom, but I wanted to take it out of there to show you guys. Okay. Like, if people ever started using like home phones again, this is like the cutest home phone ever. It's just like a Hello Kitty home phone. And like the phone, it's like all pink and cute. It's got like little hearts for buttons. If I ever did start using a real phone again, this is what I would use. And then for sleeping, you guys, I have like the Hello Kitty sleeping mask here. It's so cute. And then you guys here, actually just kind of in the basement today, I ended up finding this super cute Hello Kitty. And this is so sad. I think I kind of forgot that I had her. I need to open her because apparently when you open her, she'll like walk around and she'll spin and she lights up. She is just so beautiful. Look at this. And she's got like her cute little bear. And I love cute bears, you guys. So that makes me really excited. And okay, let's like watch her. Look at her. Oh my gosh. And she just plays like cute music. I love her so much. She's literally so adorable. I was looking for my boots today. As I was doing it, I kind of randomly ended up like finding my Hello Kitty Converse, and I was like, wow, I totally forgot that I had those. Like, why do I never wear them? They actually come in like a really, really cute Hello Kitty box, and I'll show you guys what these look like. So they're just like super cute Hello Kitty high top Converse. Sorry I'm holding them so weird. It's because like I have the box. They're adorable. They just kind of have like the little flowers. Now that I found these, I'm definitely gonna wear them like way more often. I have here the Hello Kitty Doc Martens, like a Hello Kitty theme. It's like super, super cute there. Oh my gosh, these shoes are always so heavy, but they're so cool. Got like a little platform there, and you guys can see they got Hello Kitty and all her Sanrio friends. Here we got my Melody, Cinnamoroll, and just like a bunch of her friends here. And we got more over here, and Hello Kitty herself. I think these shoes are so cool. I love the bright pink laces too. Another item kind of for sleeping, I have my black Hello Kitty robe. This robe I think is super, super cute. It's got Hello Kitty all over it. Just really nice and warm and soft. I like never sleep in pajamas. I pretty much always sleep in my Hello Kitty robe. I have another one that's pink back in California. Hopefully when I get back there, I can get that one. I also have a couple more bags and stuff, but I'm happy that at least today I could show you guys the ones that I showed you guys. Really heavy item here, but I have my Hello Kitty suitcase. Might be a little bit worn out because I have traveled like to Disney and places with this so many times. I will always love this suitcase anyway. I ordered another like black Hello Kitty suitcase recently. Whoa. I'm still kind of waiting for it to come, but I'll always love that one. I bought it like at Epcot, I think, like at the Japan store there. Here, I have a couple more really cute, kind of like gaming, I guess like PC Hello Kitty item. I have my Hello Kitty keyboard here. I have my Hello Kitty mouse, cute little Hello Kitty mouse pad with like all the Sanrio characters. I love Stress Toys, guys. How do you say his name? I think it's like Pom Pom Purin, and he's just so cute. Probably like my favorite Stress Toy here. This is all Razer equipment, by the way. I love the Razer equipment. So I have like this cute Hello Kitty headset, and on the inside it's got like all the Sanrio characters. And there it is on, you guys. I just like totally love these. I think these are so adorable on the little Hello Kitty bow. I think that Razer actually now does make a set that like you can just kind of buy like directly from America. I bought these back when I think they were only like in Japan, but when I saw there was a Hello Kitty headset, I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. I need it. I think that's gonna be all the Hello Kitty items that I'm gonna be showing you guys for today. I love Hello Kitty so much, and I have for years. Definitely like over time, I've built like quite a big Hello Kitty collection, and I have even more things back in California, so I'm just like a really big Hello Kitty fan. I really hope you guys liked seeing my Hello Kitty collection. She's like an icon, guys. Like she's been around for now, like what? Like probably like close to 50 years. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video really soon. Bye!